Well, I'm going to try starting the old scat cat. I redone it, and I still got to get made by Snow Coal Company. We used them back in '81 when I graduated. Grandpa took me out to Wyoming mule deer hunting, and I used this to drag my mule deer out. Get the choke off. Good. Got it. Original tires, fiberglass seat. Headlight still works. I need to do a little bit more. I'm gonna take and see if I can get a new seat cover for it, but runs pretty good. Original motor. I've repainted it, the frame, but I gotta get some parts for it yet. But it's runs pretty good. And then it has a ski for the front end. I got the ski in the house, in the basement, for in the winter time. Dual brakes, you can lock up one and then it'll spin right around. But that's one thing I did over, I think it was last winter. I still got a couple parts I need to get. Better throttle cables and better brake cables for it.